In this short tutorial, I will show you how to block all unknown incoming calls on your Samsung device. Blocking unknown calls can help you avoid unwanted interactions and spam calls. Fortunately, Samsung provides a feature that allows us to block these calls and have a more peaceful experience with our devices. To get started, open up the phone app on your Samsung device and then tap on these three little dots at the top right corner of the screen. After that, tap Settings. And then tap Block Numbers. All you have to do now is toggle on the switch next to block calls from unknown numbers. This is exactly how you can block all unknown incoming calls on your Samsung device without installing any additional apps. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.